Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be the first vlog for 2023. Wow. So I filmed this video on the 3rd of January and it's a Tuesday. The reason why I decided to film this content today is because the gym is gonna be open, and a typical day in my life comprises of going to the gym. So when I have to go to the gym, this is my morning routine. So I wake up, I listen to a room on Clubhouse that shares messages, various types of messages on affirmation, the power of positive thinking, and lots of very good, inspiring messages. I'll be listening to that while I also write the things that I'm thankful for and things that I'm also working towards achieving in a couple of months. Next, I get out of bed, and of course, you have to make your bed. If you want a more successful life, you need to make sure you make your bed in the morning. That's what they tell us, right? You make your bed. But guess what? I don't make my bed every day. Some days I just leave the bed like that and I come back and I sleep on it. While some other days I make my bed. So because I'm filming this video today, yes, today had to be one of those days where I had to make my bed. So let's just dust off the bed sheets to ensure that it's clean and there are no sharp objects on it. Dust it off and dress the bed properly. Am I the only one that feels like when you sleep on a bed with white bed sheets, the sleep is always sweeter? You always feel more comfortable, like it's very cozy and fresh feeling. Like I love sleeping on white sheets. If I'm not alone in this feeling, let me know in the comment section. So right now it's time to make coffee. I love to have black coffee first thing in the morning before I head to the gym, because I feel like coffee gives me that energy that I need to work out. So I poured myself some coffee. I poured like a sachet of coffee in the cup, then I added the hot water. Yes. So I step over to my balcony to just admire the sky, look towards the beach while I sip on my coffee, enjoying nature. Now it's time to brush my teeth and also take my bath. So guys, after taking my bath, it's time for skincare. So I start with my face. I use this product from Nivea, and it's a new release from them. I think they launched this product sometime in November, and what it does is it has SPF 15 and it's claim that it's good for dark spots, but I haven't seen any difference with the dark spots on my face. But I just use it as my sunscreen. This is it right here. It's called Nivea Perfect and Radiant. While for my body, I used Nivea Even and Radiant and Cushion Body Baby Oil. Nivea has to send me a check. I use a lot of their products. So guys, I mix the body lotion with the baby oil because I don't want my skin to ever look like it's dry, especially in this Harmattan season. So baby oil and the Nivea body lotion mixed together, then I apply all over my body, especially the parts of my body that tends to get dry. While I spray my deodorant right now to ensure that I'm smelling fresh all day. This deodorant I use, it's Nivea Men Dry Fresh. Then yes, panty liner, tongs, bra top, nipple cover. Then this is what I'm wearing to the gym today. I'm brushing my hair. Ever since I touched my natural hair, I've been wearing my hair. I just parted at the back, and I'm able to even wear my wigs with my hair like this. So I really love the fact that I retouched my natural hair. Makes life easier. Yeah, so we're almost ready. Return the cream back to my cabinet, and yeah, my bag, I'm ready to head to the gym. So I grab my bottle of water because man, I drink lots of water. Then heading to the gym right now. Right now.
Okay. Morning. Okay. So yeah, beauty lip gloss for my lips. You know, it's Hamatan season, so you have to make sure your lips are moisturized, except you're gonna have dry, crusty lips. So Kylie lip gloss, beautiful. Yeah. We're off to the gym.
So when I get to the gym, I typically join this workout sessions they have. That's the group workout session. Then after I'm done with the group workout session, I then join workout with my personal trainer. So right now I'm just recording a video of myself so I can compare my body changes in a few months. Yeah, so now my trainer has given me the instruction in terms of what workout we are doing. So I'm doing them right now. Started with high knees, and now we are doing lunges to squats and up press. So high knees, lunges. I'm basically doing like 10 reps of each of these workouts and repeating it 4 times. Then now we're doing some abs, side. I don't even know what's called that workout, but I should did it 10 times. 4 reps, 10 reps, 4 sets. This one too, 10 reps, 4 sets. Yeah. Am I the only one that most times when you're working out, you're thinking that you're moving so smoothly and you're fast, your pace is good. But later on, when you, in your mind, but later on, when you watch a video of yourself doing the workout, it seems like you're literally very slow and gentle. This especially happens to me when I watch myself running. Like when I watch videos of myself running, in my mind, I feel like I'm sprinting. But when I look at my shadow or I watch the video, it just seems like I'm catwalking in a, I'm running in a catwalking manner. I don't know how to really describe it. But now I'm back to the workout. She asked me to do some lunges and now some side crunches. But I call it like side plank crunches, something like that. Yeah, so 10 on each side, 4 reps, and now some side plank swings. So now we went downstairs to lift some weight. I already filmed this part where I'm supposed to lift this. I believe this is like 130 kgs. Yeah, 20 kg plates, 2 of it. 4, that's 2 on both sides. That's like 40, 80, 50, 100. Then the pole is 1. So these are basically trying to carry 120 kgs. So after lifting weights downstairs, now I'm doing some cardio. And I leave the gym after doing my cardio for about 10-20 minutes. Then now I'm home. I'm trying to make food. This some unripe plantain. Yeah, I think this plantain is even between ripe and unripe because I left it for so long and it started to get ripe. So I want to make some plantain porridge. Right now I'm just rinsing the plantain before I start to cook it. So shaky, I trying to rinse it off. And the reason why I tend to use pure water to cook is because, if you live in Lekki, you know how most of the homes, the water is treated with chemicals, and I don't really like the smell of the chemicals. So for that reason, I always use pure water to cook. So I've rinsed the plantain right now. It's time to start cooking it. I added water to the pot. Now I'm adding my seasoning. So this is salt. I'm going to add pepper. This is a red chili pepper. Then this is some brown Cameroonian pepper and crayfish. Some people call it crawfish, whichever one works for you. So now I'm adding some nut cubes, 2 cubes of the Knorr Maggi. Did I call it Maggi? Nut cubes. So sprinkle. Yeah. Then next, look at our plantain is cooking. Now I'm going to add some dry fish because I want the dry fish to be plenty in this plantain porridge. So add lots of dry fish. I'm adding my onion. And I'm also going to add some palm oil, but very little palm oil because you don't want it to be like a very oily food. So let me just put, say I added like 2 tablespoons of palm oil. Then I'm gonna let it cook very well so that everything inside, both the dry fish, the palm oil, gets to really enter all the corners of the pot and it's well cooked. The dry fish is softer. Now look at how this looks right now. It's time for me to add my green vegetables. I'm literally showing you guys how to cook plantain porridge in this vlog. So I'm adding my green vegetables. This is what they call ugu. So I'm putting my ugu in the pot. And the pot I'm using seems to be small because it's very full. So I'm just going to take my time and ensure that I mix the vegetable in with the plantain without having the vegetable pour out of the pot. So I just take my time and do it carefully. You see, now after I've mixed it together carefully, the vegetable are sort of shrinked in the pot. So it's no longer as full as it looked before. Yeah, now our food is ready. I'm ready to serve myself. Yeah, so because I cooked the food, I need to take care of myself first before I serve others. So always take care of yourself first before you can serve others. You serve people from your overflow, not from your empty cup. So I'm going to nourish my body first, then I can now give food to others around me. Yeah. This is the first meal I'm having for the day. I don't eat before going to the gym. The only thing I do before going to the gym is I have coffee. So after eating, I took my time to make wigs for clients that I also sent out, and I didn't film that part of the video. So right now I've already had my bath and it's already night time. I'm about to go to bed, and this is the last view I see before I eventually sleep off. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you'd like to see more vlog on my channel, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video, share it, and give it a huge thumbs up. Check out my website, subscribe to my email list. Thanks for watching. Remember, be bold and have courage.